Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, we got a very special unboxing. Now, I've been able to work with a lot of companies, man, and I do have some companies that, during the years of this channel, I've been able to work with a lot of great companies. The company that I'm unboxing this unbox for today, did I just say unboxing this unbox? The company that I'm unboxing this box for always shows love every single time. Now, judging by this box right here, bro, this is a very abnormal box. I've never ever in my entire life got a box that looked like this. Now, obviously, it's a sneaker, but what kind of sneaker can be in a box this long, okay? Because I'm not like 11 feet tall and I don't wear size 32, which actually got me excited because I'm excited to open this up because it has to be more than just a sneaker, I would think, because usually sneaker boxes are a lot square and a lot smaller than this, so hopefully it's like some type of presentation in here, or at least something more than just a sneaker. But even if it's not, I'm still happy. Yo, look, before we get into the video, man, I have to tell you guys, if you did not know, that I am now working with Bleacher Report, and we have a live show once a week for big releases. And the coolest part about it is I'm doing it with my boy Unbreakable Kick. So I don't know if y'all already seen him announce this. I'm a little bit behind on it, but we did partner with Bleacher Report, and we will be going live for Live Cop sneakers on the Bleacher Report app. But no, I mean, I love Bleacher Report. I love basketball. I love working with them, and it's like an amazing dream of mine, man. So if you guys do want to tune in to us doing live cops, me and my boy Unbreakable on the Bleacher Report platform, all you have to do is download the Bleacher Report app that's linked down below. Also, man, if you have not subscribed to the new channel, bro, go do that. The link is down below. I've been uploading like crazy over there. If y'all want to come through. I appreciate it as always. But back to what's at hand, okay? We got this huge box. Don't know what's in it, so it's only right that we check it out. Anything Adidas gives me is usually amazing, bro. Adidas never fails. No cap, this box probably is the largest box I've ever unboxed on my channel, so it got like 20 on a box. It says 20. I don't know what the 20 stands for. I don't know what it means, but maybe it's going to correlate in the box. Oh, whoa. Hey, okay. Hey, I kind of remember this, bro. This is actually something that came with the orange human races that Adidas sent me. That was pretty cool, so I'm excited about that. What's this right here? I think, is this the cutout that go on skateboards? Now, I may be wrong because I don't skateboard, but I had skateboard friends growing up that used to skateboard, and I believe this is the material that can, like, you know what I'm saying, go on top of the skateboard. Hold up. Nah, bro. Wait, I know this don't say what I think it say. N.E.R.D, bro. N.E.R.D. Obviously, we know that that is Pharrell, right? And obviously, we know that Pharrell has the human race. I mean, it's his shoe. But what's shocking me right now is a lot of the Adidas that has N.E.R.D on the human race are more of like the limited, most sought after shoes. I'm stuttering right now, bro. I'm nervous. It's usually some of the most sought after shoes in the whole human race lineup. Now, first of all, we gotta look at this packaging, bro, because the packaging is absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a skateboard type, but the same material that was on what I just looked at that I believe go on skateboards is around the entire shoe. I'm not sure how you open this. Maybe you slide this out like this right here. You know what I'm saying? All right, look, I ain't gonna cap. I might be opening this the wrong way. I don't want to be Dennis Rodman, okay, when he opened up this pair of Yeezys, but it's wrapped in this black, so I'm gonna cut the black. I don't know if I'm supposed to cut the black, but hey, I'm cutting the black, okay? I'm cut it, okay? I cut it. I'm sorry if that wasn't the way, okay? But I'm sorry. I had to do it. It had to be done. I cut it. Woo! Okay, here we go. I'm about to open this up. I have no idea what's on this box or what's in this box, but as we open it up, we get a letter, okay? Let me read this for a second. Let me read this. For everybody who about to skip this, you better listen to me read this, bro. Do not be rude. Celebrating the 20th anniversary of the release N.E.R.D iconic album. This is celebrating the N.E.R.D album. The latest human race model of Adidas Originals and Pharrell Williams collaboration pays homage to the group and features N.E.R.D embroidery in English, Japanese characters on the right and left shoes. Enjoy, Pharrell, Adidas Originals. Not only have y'all sent me like some of the most amazing stuff I've ever unboxed on this channel, this right here is absolutely amazing. I grew up listening to Pharrell. I love the Neptunes. I love N.E.R.D. I mean, he's a staple in the community, whether that's music or even if it's fashion and sneakers. Thank y'all once again. All right, let's open these up, bro. Oh, it has my name, bro. Nah, bro. No cap, it has my name right here. You can't tell me that's fire, bro. You cannot not tell me that that's fire. That's fire, bro. I'm taking a picture, bro. I'm sorry. While I'm recording, bro, I'm taking a picture. Bow, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take a few pics. I gotta take a picture of that, bro. I got to. Okay, let me open these up, man. I know y'all been waiting, bro. I'm sorry, but this is a process, bro. This is amazing. Yo, these, bro. Yo, these, though. Nah, bro, these are crazy. These are crazy, bruh. And the left shoe. No, just the right shoe. On the back pull tab, it don't even have the Pharrell Human Race logo. It got the 20, okay? You see that? Fire. This colorway is like an amazing off-white colorway. But the coolest part is like the inside of the shoe is a whole different color. So the left shoe has the blue inside, the right shoe has the orange inside. Even the bottoms are different too. So as we look at the outer sole of the shoe, they also come mismatched, which is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, this is probably top 3 coolest things I've ever unboxed on my channel. I haven't seen nobody with these before. I don't know how many people was actually able to get these, man, but bro, these are the coolest ones that they sent me so far. Now it comes with an extra spare lace. Okay, this one is a lot more vibrant than the ones that's already factory laced, but it still does look cool. I actually think if I was to throw these on, that kind of make them pop, and I think it'll look a little bit better. The lace kind of blends in very well with the bottom, so if I was to swap out the laces, I definitely think it'll make the top pop a lot. Yo, look, I'm not gonna waste too much time talking about this. I definitely believe that this shoe deserves like its own glory. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get you some B-roll, show y'all some details, and just show y'all how cool this sneaker really is, man. I'll see y'all back in a second. So cool about this, man, is Adidas is just killing it right now. Today, I'm actually going to downtown Atlanta to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium to the Kanye West listening party. I'm gonna be out there with Bleacher Report, and I'm gonna be interviewing people on the street on behalf of Bleacher Report, talking about Adidas, talking about the Adidas line and where it's going. And just to get something like this on the same day I'm going out there, it's just showing that Adidas is still killing it. The collaboration between Pharrell, the collaboration between Kanye West, and so many more different people is pushing the Adidas brand even further. You guys seen on the B-roll of the shoe, man, it's actually amazing. When I was contemplating this, when I was looking over at the B-roll, I actually decided I'm not even gonna swap the laces. I just really love how this shoe looks all the way together. So as we read in the beginning, the right shoe has N.E.R.D in English and the left shoe has N.E.R.D in Japanese. We check out the back heels, and what's cool is they both kind of represent the insole of the shoe. You see how the insole of this one is blue, the back heel is blue, the insole of this one is orange, and the back heel is orange. We already know that the N.E.R.D by itself is one of the most comfortable sneakers ever known to man. The Boost technology is hands down some of the best technology that was invented in sneakers because it made fashion and comfy all in one. You can be stylish, you can look cool, but at the same time your feet ain't barking just due to how amazing the Boost is in these sneakers. Now, who would I be for me to do a review like this and not ask y'all for y'all thoughts and opinions? So please, guys, down below in the comment section, please tell me your thoughts, your opinions, your overall thoughts on the Adidas Human Race NMD N.E.R.D for the 20th anniversary. And this is definitely iconic, something I'm very, very happy to be a part of. Thank you so much to Adidas for allowing me to be a part of this, man. Please let me know how y'all feel down below in the comments. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. A lot of bangers like this coming even more. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.